What if the air inside your home is 5 times more toxic than outside, and you don't even know it? By the end of this video, you'll never look at your bedroom the same way again. These 2026 air monitors expose what your lungs can't feel. Number 3 literally saved my sleep. All product links for your buy are in the description. Like, share, and subscribe before your air quality gets worse. Starting at number 1. IQAir AirVisual Pro Indoor Monitor. Best air quality monitor overall. I've been using AirVisual Pros for the past 5 years. My first one only began malfunctioning after 4 years. Made by IQAir, same maker of the Atom X air purifier, the AirVisual air quality monitor had an easy-read 5-inch LCD display screen. The AirVisual's graphic of a boy's face along with the AQI color scale lets me know my indoor air quality from across the room. I don't have to log onto the internet or open an app to know if I have clean air. The AirVisual has the added feature of giving both indoor and outdoor air quality data. This saves me the extra step of checking the outdoor air quality on my phone. And it cycles through various displays. It has the time, then it will show both indoor and outdoor readings, along with congratulating me for achieving excellent indoor air quality, or it will recommend that I open a window. It's oddly specific. As the air quality gets poorer, the little boy will stop smiling with a green background and become solemn with a yellow background. Finally, if the air is truly dangerous, he'll put on a gas mask and the color turns dark purple. The AirVisual air quality monitor measures PM 2.5 and CO2, and displays the temperature and humidity. It has an easy-to-read dashboard on the app and keeps data for a year, but its biggest strength is its display, especially when I burn a pizza and the boy gets sad and dons a gas mask. Number 2. IQAir Outdoor Air Quality Monitor. Best mounted outdoor air quality monitor. I wish I had used the IQAir AirVisual outdoor monitor years ago when I first tested IQAir's AirVisual Pro Indoor Air Quality Monitor, above. The display gives real-time indoor monitoring along with data from the closest outdoor air quality station, or your very own right outside the window. IQAir Visual Outdoor. There's so much more accuracy in having both a dedicated indoor and outdoor air quality monitor. Having both of IQAir's monitors enables the AirVisual Pro to show both side-by-side readings of indoor and outdoor on its easy-to-read screen. Depending on the index number, the visual of the screen's 2 boys will be green with a smile for good air and seem disillusioned at moderate yellow air, going all the way to purple with a respirator mask for bad air. Sometimes both boys are smiling green, sometimes the indoor boy is happy and the outside one is mired in dirty air. There's real agency in knowing both the indoor and outdoor air quality index. The monitor also pairs with IQAir's intuitive app, which has one of the best user experiences I've tried. Unlike Purple Air's plug-and-play crowdsourced air quality map, IQAir has a registration process for accepting data from your outdoor monitor. Submission requirements include photos of your mounted outdoor monitor. IQAir's outdoor comes with a mounting plate, 2 UV-resistant cable ties for a pole mount, and wall plugs and screws for a wall mount. I'm unable to drill into the brick outside my building, and IQAir doesn't have an option for placing it on a windowsill. There's no stand to keep it upright. Number 3. Airthings View Plus. An indoor air quality monitor with a radon sensor. Airthings' solid, unassuming minimalist design has an easy-to-read display screen, and it's the first indoor air quality monitor I've tested that has a dedicated radon sensor. It also measures PM 2.5, CO2, VOCs, temperature, humidity, and air pressure. And while the Airthings View Plus has an easy-to-use app, the monitor will not work without internet/Wi-Fi. I've tested monitors in the past that will work, complete with accurate screen display, even when not paired with a device. With Airthings, you'll need to make sure that you both have internet and can pair it with your phone. The Airthings also needs time to calibrate. I saw radon, PM 2.5, and humidity almost immediately, but the app told me I needed to wait days before the monitor calibrated the CO2 and VOC sensors. Aside from the fact that Airthings won't work without internet, my other issue with the monitor is that I need to wave my hand in front of the device for an air quality check. The movement from my hand triggers the sensor to show any value above the recommended levels, along with the indicator light, which shows green for good, yellow for fair, and red for poor. Number 4. Awair Element. Best air quality monitor with a composite score. When I first used the Awair 5 years ago, it didn't bother me that it had its own composite scoring system. The Awair sensor uses a fan and laser sensor to detect PM 2.5, toxic chemicals known as volatile organic compounds, or VOCs, CO2, temperature, and humidity. Those individual scores go into Awair's special algorithm that weights each of the 5 sensors and its actual toxic levels to humans over time, creating its color-coded scoring system. That means a score of 1 is a health hazard, while a score of 100 means you've reached indoor air nirvana. The issue for me and my more air-aware self is when I see a reading of 100 on an indoor air monitor, I think it means the air is bad. Yes, there is a tiny green light indicating overall good air, but still, it is confusing for me. The score is the default setting on the display and can be easily overridden through the Awair app. By clicking on the gear in the upper right corner, you can change the display from the Awair score to either temperature, humidity, CO2, chemicals, dust PM 2.5, or a clock. Number 5. Qingping Air Quality Monitor. Best air quality monitor for a desk. I can't help but think the QP Pro Air Quality Monitor was designed to sit on your desk and be used by those with excellent eyesight. I needed my reading glasses to use the touchscreen display. While the QP Pro's app is easy to read, it's odd that for a small monitor that does so much, it reads PM 2.5, VOCs, temperature, CO2, and humidity, requires a wee bit of squinting. The indoor air quality monitor's bright 3-inch Retina display lets you choose the sensor you want to prioritize to a bigger font. So, for example, you can tap the CO2 and that will be the easiest to read number. Scroll on the screen and it will display the time, weather, outdoor AQI, and UV reading. And, in case of power outage, its lithium-ion battery has a 4-hour life. So which monitor wins? The one that caught carbon monoxide at 2 a.m. Don't wait until you feel sick, the link is waiting for you below. Hit like, subscribe with alerts on, and share this with anyone who has kids or pets. Breathe smarter. I'll see you in the next review.